beautiful people, welcome once again to HN Clothings, and in today's video we're going to be sewing all the sleeves we did in our last video. If you've not seen the video, click the link up here to watch that video so you understand what's going on in this one. Now I have my different sleeve patterns already and I'm going to be cutting them on this fabric. Yeah, I have this kind of like shiny beautiful fabric, so I'm going to cut all the sleeves on this fabric and show you how it's going to look like. You know, most of us that ask, oh, when you attach paper, how do you cut? So we're just going to see how the cutting takes place. Now guys, I'll just be cutting one sleeve for each of these different sleeve patterns. I won't be cutting both sleeves, it's just one of the sleeves that I'll be cutting. So if you're interested and you're ready to get going, let's get right into this video. For our first sleeve pattern, we're going to be cutting the bishopsleeve pattern. I'm going to put it on my fabric, so I'll place it this way and I'm going to pin it so it doesn't move. This is how wide my sleeve pattern is going to be. This is how wide the sleeve pattern is. So I'm just going to remove the pins on this pattern. So this is my pattern now. This is my sleeve. I'll go right ahead and sew it up. Okay guys, so this is the first sleeve. Yes, I love how it looks. I have this rich woman vibe. So this is how you make an exaggerated bishop sleeve. You can as well as put an elastic by this part of the hand, right, so that it all gathers here together, or you can even put a cuff there, whichever works fine for you. But this is how it's going to look, and I'm loving the way this sleeve looks already. Yes, so let's move on to the next sleeve. So this is my sleeve. Yes, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks on my dress, and it looks so beautiful. It looks so classic, so regal. Yes, fashion forward. Yes, so guys, try the sleeve out. Tell me what you think. Yes, if you love, tell me the sleeve you love the most in the comment section below. So yes, this looks so pretty. Let's go on to the next one. So remember to notch these parts. Notch them for both of the sleeves. Now we'll remove the pins. So for the first sleeve, we're going to put the two notches together like so. And this is how you're going to sew it. So you're going to turn it in with this other fabric. I cut two of this, so I'm supposed to turn it in and now sew this into the armhole. So let me sew this part up. What will be going into the armhole? Let me do that and show you how it's going to look. So guys, here's my tulip sleeve. You can see how it looks. You can make yours longer if you want, and when you sew it into the armhole, it's going to sit more beautifully. Yes, and I love this as well. Yes, so tell me what you think, guys. Moving on, let's go on to our next sleeve. So what we'll do is we're going to take this and fold it across the notch and sew it on one end. So what we'll be sewing is just this part here. These two parts, that's what we're sewing together. Here's how the sleeve looks. This is the part that will be sewn into the armhole. You're going to sew it into the armhole like this. So you're going to stitch up this part. This part will be open, that's why you need your facing, while this part is going into the armhole. So let me put my hand inside. So this is how the hand will be looking like. I hope you're loving these different sleeves, because I am loving the sleeve. Yeah, it's giving me so much rich vibes, like classic. Just imagine this on a workwear, on a Sunday wear, on whatever. It looks so good. Looks so good. Ugh. Yeah, so let's go to the next sleeve. We're going to be joining this part to this part here, like so. So let me remove the pins. We're going to be placing it on top of each other like so, and sew it that way. So let's go. So after sewing along this curve, the next thing is to sew this underarm seam together. So guys, here's my lantern sleeve, and this is the short lantern sleeve. Remember I said we could do a long lantern sleeve, but this is a short one. So let me just show you how it looks. Yup. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. Oh my goodness, I don't even know which one to pick. I'm loving this as well. What? This is beautiful. Oh goodness, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, please, what do you think? Which one do you love? I love this. It could come up here to the armhole, or I could even make it right here. I could make it like a 3/4 sleeve, then gather this one to the 3/4 sleeve, and also put an elastic here to make the sleeve at this part. So it's going to be a design element here. Yeah, or we could just leave it as a short sleeve. Guys, you can do whatever you want to do. Yes, just do you. So the bonus sleeve for this video, I want to give you a bonus sleeve. So let's go and do the bonus sleeve. So guys, the bonus sleeve I have for you is called the extended cap sleeve. Now what we're going to be doing basically is just to extend this upper part of the sleeve. Let me draw a straight line from one armhole to the other. So I'm going to be sharing this upper part of the sleeve and extend it more. So I can share it evenly or so. So I'm sharing it into two places. Cut here. I'm going to put paper under. So we have one, and the second one. So this is an exaggerated sleeve. Bear in mind that when you're cutting, curve all the edges around. Let's do it this way first, then we'll stitch it through and see the difference it makes. So I notched the places where the fullness was, where I added fullness. So what I can do is to sew it with itself like this. Sew it with itself like this, like pleat the fullness on itself. So I've pleated this on itself like so. All we need to do now is to sew the underarm seam up. Okay guys, so this is what the sleeve looks like, yeah? You can have a sleeve like this. Of course they'll be wondering, oh, what's going on with your sleeve? It looks good and all of that. Yeah, oh goodness, I'm loving this sleeve. And you can as well as cut it through, extend it, play with it however you want to. Yeah, so let's try the other one. And I promise we're done, I promise. So we will be cutting through here. Open it up, put paper under. So let us cut this on the fabric. So we're sewing it up like so, and all those parts will be gathered. Let's do that. So guys, this is the last one. Yes, I have already gathered here. I gathered it into the sleeve here. You can twerk it with whatever you want to. And this is my armhole that is going to go into the armhole of the dress. So let me wait so we can see how that looks. Okay, so imagine if this fabric was not the type that falls. Imagine it was cotton we were using. You know, it's going to stand and look all good and lovely. So this is my exaggerated or extended cap sleeve. I'm sure you love this, guys. So if you did enjoy my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, huge one. Also subscribe if you're yet to. Suggest other videos you'd love to see, and I will see you in my next video. Yes. I promise. I love. Bye. Okay, so here's my tulip sleeve, guys.